Xin down. And this one, 𝐤𝐻, down, here, up, here, down, here, up. You understand? Stretching, stretching like this. Can you feel this like a stretching? Then you can feel, you can hear your spine like this. For that sitting maintain the same. When you have the skill, they work. You stretching yourself. You could feel sometimes the loosen by yourself without anyone to stretching you. You do yourself, and this is good. And the spine will soft. Okay, you understand? When the spine, when you spine, for example, this one like this is the beginning. So someone doing this, even here, not straight. You see how you can stretch it. So you have to from here goes up. Huh? This different. Look, you know, different. They can longer this, make it longer, make yourself longer like that. Yesterday I told you like this. You make it longer. Then relax. You know, then you relax to stretching the tendon meridians. This is why we need to. Not chest, not, and then you cannot breathe anymore. Just body, spine. Now your chest, okay, spine like. Spine stretching. Then when you can hear click, and they loosen. And loosen, then your body become, top body become flexible. See, stretching up, and when you go down, you touch your thigh, you know, the touch here. Then you stretching again. See, they're losing already. See, then you go down. See, touch here. Stretching up, relax, stretching, relax. Then go down. See, touch here. That means the body is getting longer, top body longer. Relax. And touch your toe. Yeah, let's touch your toe. Don't bend this leg, just straight. A leg straight. And the weight is more this leg, not this leg. You turn to this side, weight is more in this leg. Turn this side, weight is more this. Yes, this is right. And keep leg straight. Your knee straight. You understand this kind of stretching? Okay, try it. Everybody like, ready? From this side. 马步, 弓步. Relax, keep your arm relaxed. Go back to your head, to your neck. Change your 马步, turn your toe. Yeah, turn your toe. 马步, open your knee. Open your knees. 马步. Okay, go down first. Touch, shoulder, touch your knee. 马步, not 弓步, 马步. Touch your knee. And your head, your hand behind your head. Then push longer. Relax. Keep breathing. Relax, relax, relax. Look at your hand. Look at your hand. Look at your hand. Yes. And think straight. This finger too. Straight, straight. Okay, then go down. Relax. Body straight. Body relax. No. Yes. No. This is wrong. Very big bottom, like why like this? You know, go down like body straight. From here, go down, body straight. Don't doing this, okay? Okay, again. So from here, when you're from here, you know, go down, hand, relax, see, relax, and the body straight. Don't go this, okay? Don't like that. Back straight. Yeah. And behind your neck, see, don't do this, behind. Push with the thing, like this, not this, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers, 5 tendons. You know the tendons, this is tendons. Too stiff. Most people stiff this tendon. Cannot stretching long. So we need to do this, push and make the tendon longer. This is tendon 1 1寸怎么说 ？inch. 1 inch you can get 10 years more life. Means you become very flexible. The tendon very important. This one, okay? So we have a lot of tendons, and you need to stretch it. So doesn't work. Work. So straight. Up, 弓步. Relax. Relax. Behind. Change your toe. Turn your toe. Turn your toe. 马步. Go down. From the side. From the side. Go down. And push. Big finger straight. Look to your hand. Look to your hands. Open your knees. Yes, good. Look to your hands. This one straight. Yes, look to your hands. This one here. Yes. Okay, relax. Go down. Keep your bottom tuck in. Yes, go down. Relax. Shoulder relax. And neck straight. Your neck straight. Relax. Hands go lower. 丹田 Put it on the 丹田 Same. Yeah, don't like this. Relax. Deep breath to here. Now you're tired because you're stiff, you're tired. You keep your breath to here to lower 丹田 Relax whole body. All muscle, tendons, joints. Relax. But your spine not relax. Okay, spine goes up. Your spine from your neck, from your back way from here up, and whole muscle relax. Yeah, only here, up, muscle, shoulder, chest, relax. Understand? Only here straight. And all muscle, like ice, it's melt, like it, and your body become soft. Chest tuck in. One more time. Go down. 马步 first. Yeah, 弓步, 马步 first. And the hands. Yeah. Then behind your neck, your hand, push. Push longer. Look at your hands. Yes, very good. It's getting better, yeah. Straight. Look, see, this is tendon too stiff, that's why they're bent, you know. It's not joints, it's tendon. It's tendon. Okay. Open. Straight. Straight. This one, straight. You understand? Mm-hmm. And now open. Open your hips too stiff. Okay, go down. Relax. Back straight. Back straight. Tuck in. Tuck in. Yes. Again from push. Okay, then go down. Again. Push. Go down. Again. Push. Again. Yeah, go. You understand? Mm-hmm. Otherwise, always the bottom out. You cannot tuck in. Always like a bad habit. So from here, you go down. Your hips too stiff. Do it. Marble. Behind your head. No, here. Okay, and open your knee first. You're too stiff is because you cannot open like this, okay? Mm-hmm. Then behind your neck, push, push, push. Relax. Yeah. Could feel? This you needed. This you needed. Open here, stretching here, and relax. Relax. Okay, go down. Relax, 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 relax. Go. Go. Your tendon. Yeah, okay, relax. This is not from your tendon. It's not from your tendon and muscle. From mine. Okay? Yeah, touch. I know this problem is from mind. Need to be flexible. Your brain, relax. Doing, relax. Doing, relax. Try this kind of practice, exercise, and you will be more flexible. Okay? And like hips, like open, 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 and you're pushing. See, pushing, straight, soft. Go down. It's like planning. Don't use mind too much. Use your mind, you become stiff, soft. Okay, show me your hand. Push. Push again, back. Straight. Straight. Use this one push, this one bend it. Push. Push, straight. Push, relax here. Relax. Here, relax. Okay. Push. Push. Longer. Long. This one push. Yes, yes. Relax. Push. Relax. And this kind of exercise, push. So you push from this point, like, yeah, like this. Not like this, and straight, straight. See, this is why when you do it, the tendon not really relaxed. The tendon will pulling back. That's why your finger like this. And you pull, finger like this. So that means this tendon, see, too stiff. This tendency, a lot of tendons here. Here. So you need soft. And this is see. And you both hand. This hand help. Push, push here. Again, back, push. This is good. back, push, yeah, push here, complete, go. Understand? This training, you work good.